I understand that you may have been seeing some other people in addition to me. And the reason that I haven't provided
well, those are rumors.
I understand that. I understand that. But you haven't complied with my request for DNA test either, and that's my key. Is that if I have an obligation, I like to make sure it is my obligation and not the obligation of some other father.
Well, maybe you should have been obligated to your wife whenever you were having a...
What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are feeling good. Today, guys, we're back again in a video. Today, we're going to check out who is the puppy. This is an amazing video. You guys are going to love this. This video is about a man who feels like his wife is promiscuous and he's not sure about the kid. So before he puts any money into child support and paying for child support, he wants to confirm that that kid is his own. And naturally respects his decision. This is going to be amazing to watch. I love you guys who checked out with me. This is going to be big. Let's get right into this video, guys.
Okay, Miss Canada. All right. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm seeking child support and back pay from this man.
Okay, just straightforward. That's what I like. Just get right into it. How old is the child?
The child is now 3 years old.
3 years old.
And I have not received any child support.
In 3 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Sir, is there a reason you haven't given her any child support in the past 3 years?
Yes, ma'am, there is.
What is that?
We've been discussing the paternity obligations.
Okay.
Under the circumstances, you know, I don't think I was the only person having a fling with Rocky at the time that you know, she and I had that time together. And,
excuse me? Are you implying something?
Well, what I'm trying to say is that I understand that you may have been seeing some other people in addition to me. And the reason that I haven't provided
well, those are rumors.
I understand that. I understand that. But you haven't complied with my request for DNA test either, and that's my key. Is that if I have an obligation, I like to make sure it is my obligation and not the obligation of some other father.
True.
Well, maybe you should have been obligated to your wife whenever you were having an affair with me.
You know, you're right about that. And honest truth is
you are
that,
admitting that you're married?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I've told her. I've told her that we had this fling.
You didn't tell me you were married until after.
That's correct. That's correct. I did not tell you.
I'm sorry, I won't disrupt you guys anymore. Go ahead.
Okay. So, you know, from my perspective, Your Honor, I certainly understand the situation. I'm not trying to be hard-hearted, so to speak, about this, but I think that there's some other questions that need to be answered before we agree on paying any kind of support, because at this point, we haven't confirmed whose child this is.
Okay. Well, I definitely have some questions too, but I don't think they have anything to do with child support. It's more about you guys' backstory, but that has nothing to do with me. However, has this man taken a DNA test at all?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Did he sign anything at the hospital?
No, he wasn't
acknowledging that he was the father? Okay, so he does have a valid point. 100%. Before we can actually place him on child support, he either has to accept parentage, which, according to what I'm hearing, you're really not accepting it.
He's in denial about his affair and doesn't want his wife to find out.
My wife knows.
Oh,
yeah,
she knows now?
Ah, he's lying.
You told her?
Yeah.
I would have heard from her by now. I work with him, ma'am.
Oh.
This guy's in
At the welding place?
I'm a receptionist there.
She's a receptionist there. I'm a manager.
That's how we met.
You're her direct manager. Oh, okay. Ooh, wasn't expecting that much tea this morning. So, yeah, he's entitled to a DNA test.
Sure.
Okay, so before we can move forward with anything in terms of child support, looking at your financial documents you provided, he first needs to get a DNA test. So what I can do is you guys go and get the DNA test, then you can come back at a later date, possibly, if he's the father. If he's not the father, you're more than welcome to bring back as many people as necessary. I'm not implying by any means that what he's saying is true.
Right, he's
but
definitely
if he's not the father, you can bring back as many people as necessary to get DNA testing, and we actually find the father and place him on child support.
Oh, I know who it is, so that's not necessary, but thank you.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything further?
Your Honor, can we get your assistance in having this thing compelled so that we can get this DNA testing done expeditiously?
Oh, yeah, most definitely. And it will be done through the Attorney General's office.
Okay.
Because they are actually on site in the courtroom, and it will be in the courthouse rather. And it will be much easier and free to you all to go ahead and use their resource. Okay? If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Rocky,
You're welcome.
if I have obligations here, I'll stand behind them.
I appreciate that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The man is a very matured person. Like, he's a matured man. You see, when you see someone who's mature, you can tell by his ways, how he carries himself, what he sees. When he's wrong, he apologizes. Like, he's a matured man. He knows what it's about. He don't like to be fooled. You understand? He feels like the young lady is trying to play him by him paying child support, whereas he have not carried out a DNA test yet to confirm that child, if it's actually his own child, is paying child support for. Because if I was in the shoe, I would do the same thing. I have to confirm if that child is actually my own biological child before I start paying child support for another man's child if it's not mine. So he's a full-grown, matured man. He spoke with a lot of wisdom and sensible words. Like, I actually respect his statement. Like, 100% I respect what he said. And I supported him full-time. And at the ending, he made his statement. He was like, he's going to stand with her if the child is his own. He's going to fulfill his father's duty. He's going to be obligated by paying child support monthly, every time. Do you understand? He's a full-grown, matured man who knows what he's about. This itself is beautiful. I know he feels pain for cheating on his wife. What he did, I'm sure he actually have a lot of regrets in his life. But he manning up to stand up for what he has done. It's applaudable. You understand? It's applaudable because a lot of men are going to run away from this. And I try to respect his decision. I love his composure. I love how he speaks. Like, everything about him speaks big, speaks sensible. I do love the man's character and composure a lot. Like, really, really, I do love it. I do like it and respect him for that. Comment down below what you think about this video. Give us a thumbs up. Share this video to as many as you can. Subscribe to our channel, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay safe. Puff.